In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing. This is from Creative brand, Pebble variation. This is the modern 2.0 USB desktop speakers. Meron tayong dalawang kulay, black and white. So we'll be doing an unboxing for both colors. Ang una kong na-open right here is the white one. I bought this from Lazada. I will make sure to attach the link in the description down below. Some paperworks lang. Then, this is the black version. Pakita natin yung kulay. The Creative brand is right here. USB and TRS. As I open the other one, daanan ko yung mga ibang specifications niya. 45 degree for greater and the wider range of sound. Of course, this is dual speaker. For the black one, ito naman yung itsura niya. There you have it.